Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and T-SQL tutorial. So in this video we are going to discuss about unique key constraint in T-SQL. A unique key constraint is a SQL ensures that all values in a column are distinct or unique. It prevents the insertion of duplicate values into the column specified in the constraint. Here is an example of creating a table with unique key constraint. Okay, create table student ID int not null unique. So student ID is unique ID. It should get only unique values to insert the data into student ID column. So first name, last name, both are null values. Why? Because we haven't mentioned any constraints or anything, not null or null. So by default it will take as a null. So email varchar of 100 unique, email also unique. Okay, so let's see the examples. Student ID column is specified as a unique, ensuring that data has a unique ID. Email column is also specified as a unique, ensuring that each email address is unique in the table. Now let's insert the data into table and see what it will give the result. Well, let's create a table, students table. So in this we have student ID and email is the um, unique, and if you will see in student not null, at the same time we have added unique, two constraints here. Okay, it won't allow the null values, at the same time it should be value in unique. Email will allow the null values, but the data should be unique. Okay, let's see this. So in this all values we have, there is no issue, it will succeed, this will succeed. Okay, inserted the data. Now this will fail because student 1 already exists in a table. See, here we are already for inserted the data 1. Again we are trying to insert the same ID into the table. Okay, let's see what it will give the error. So same error you are going to get in your real-time scenarios. Violation of unique key constraint error. Okay, cannot insert duplicate key into the table. Right, value also it is given. Perfect. So now next thing, we are going to insert two ID. This will also complete. Okay, so again we are using same email address, we are inserting the data to the email column. So this is also will give same unique key constraint error. Violation of unique key constraint, cannot enter the duplicate value into the table. Okay, so the first one succeeds because all values are unique. The second one failed because it tried to insert duplicate value in the student ID column. The third one succeeded because it insert the new student ID. The fourth one fails because it tries to insert a duplicate value of email. Okay, let's see the data, how many rows is inserted. So how many succeeded? One, two rows succeeded. Two rows should be available in the table. Okay, see. So two rows inserted, two rows available in the data in the table. So this is how unique key constraint we will use in the tables in a real-time environment. So if you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and do like, comment, share it to your friends and social media. Thank you.